Okay, today we're going to try to build a party light. First you'll need a AC light from Home Depot or any other light, AC light, and you need a CB280, Q-Block CB280 and a study board or any kind of microcontroller that you use. And you need a SSR4 board. This one has a solid state relays. There's 4 of them. You can put the AC, it acts as an AC switch basically. You put the AC here, and then you put 5 volts there, and then you can put 0 or 5 volts to control the on-off of the AC device. And you need 2 wires, and you need a little minus driver, and you need a splicer. So first cut it off. Oh, I already cut it off. I've been doing this for a while, but anyway, let's just imagine it's cut, right? And then splice it, right? Splice it. Make sure to throw away your trash. Keep it clean. Oh, whoops! I forgot to set the time. We'll let it go. Let it go for a little bit, right? Okay, now. Just stick it in these two holes. Polarity does not matter. You can cut either of the wires. And then screw it on. Then you put almost up to 4 lights for this relay board. The CB280 supports almost 49 I/O, so you could actually put up to 49 party lights and control it using basic language, which is pretty neat, I guess. But anyway, you need to connect 5 volts to VCC labeled here, to 5 volts, and then the other one to an I/O port, any open I/O port. And then put this, we'll use port 0 here, and plug in the AC. Make sure not blowing anything up. Alright, and we let it run for a little bit. Since I did it almost under 90 seconds, around 90 seconds. And then I turn on the program, and then yeah, there's my program. And let's see if I can change it really quick. Change the program to go 10 times faster. Alright, and then very, very fast.